Welcome to this channel. Today we will discuss one of the most important thinkers in political sociology and elite theory, Vilfredo Pareto. Pareto is especially known for elite theory, circulation of elites, concepts of residues and derivations. His ideas strongly influenced later sociologists and political theorists, especially those studying power, domination, and social inequality. Brief background of Vilfredo Pareto. Vilfredo Pareto was born in 1848 in Italy and died in 1923. He was originally trained as an engineer, later becoming an economist, and finally a sociologist. This interdisciplinary background shaped his sociological thinking, making it highly logical, scientific, often critical of moral idealism. Pareto believed sociology should study actual human behavior, not what people claim they believe. Pareto's view of society. According to Pareto, society is not governed by reason or morality. It is governed by power, instincts, and elites. History is cyclical, not progressive. He rejected the idea that democracy leads to equality. Instead, he argued, in every society, a small minority always rules over the majority. Elite theory. What is an elite? For Pareto, elites are individuals who score highest in ability, intelligence, wealth, or power. Found in every field: politics, economics, religion, military, culture. He divided society into two major groups. 1. The elite. Small minority. Hold power and influence. 2. The non-elite, masses. Large majority. Ruled by elites. Equality, according to Pareto, is a myth. Types of elites. Pareto further divided elites into 1. Governing elites. Those who directly rule. Politicians, rulers, administrators. 2. Non-governing elites. Talented individuals outside politics. Intellectuals, artists, scientists, businessmen. Circulation of elites, core concept. This is Pareto's most famous contribution. Meaning: elites do not remain in power forever. Over time, old elites decline. New elites emerge. Power circulates, not disappears. Society remains stable only when elite circulation occurs smoothly. Lions and foxes. Pareto classified governing elites into two psychological types. Lions rule through force, tradition, authority. Conservative, rigid, military-minded. Examples: dictators, monarchs. Foxes rule through cunning, manipulation, diplomacy. Innovative, flexible, clever. Examples: democratic leaders, diplomats. Key argument: too many lions, rigidity, revolution. Too many foxes, corruption, collapse. Balanced circulation keeps society functioning. Residues and derivations. Pareto argued that humans are not rational, but they justify actions rationally. Residues. Deep-seated instincts and emotions. Real causes of behavior. Example: desire for power, tradition, survival. Derivations. Logical explanations people give. Ideologies, religions, moral arguments. Used to justify actions, not cause them. Example: a war may be driven by power, residue, but justified using nationalism or morality, derivation. Pareto on democracy and social change. Democracy is merely a rule by new elites. Revolutions do not end domination. They only replace one elite with another. Hence, Pareto was pessimistic about social equality. Contributions of Vilfredo Pareto. 1. Systematic elite theory. 2. Concept of circulation of elites. 3. Psychological analysis of power. 4. Distinction between real motives and ideological justifications. 5. Influence political sociology and realism. Criticism of Pareto. Despite his importance, Pareto has been criticized. Overly elitist. Neglects class struggle and economic exploitation. Ignores role of mass movements. Seen as anti-democratic. Ideas later misused by authoritarian regimes. To conclude, Vilfredo Pareto presents a realistic but pessimistic view of society. He teaches us that power always concentrates. Elites always exist. Social change is cyclical, not revolutionary. Even today, his theory helps us understand political leadership, power transitions, elite dominance in modern democracies. Vilfredo Pareto explained society through elite dominance and argued that social stability depends on the continuous circulation of elites. If you found this lecture helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.